general. Oh, that fan. I'm not sure how well we're able to hear the motor over that annoying fan. This has got a slap on by Asheville. This is an old General elevator. This was installed in 1973. I'm not sure. These are like some sort of EPCO fixtures. Anyways, let's write. Here we go. Still surprisingly able to hear the motor. Levels nicely too. All right, let's head back down to one to end there. This building is literally right next to 70 Woodfin Place, like right across the street. Much more better air conditioning than the building with than 70 Woodfin with the Otis Black button. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and end the video and get off.